You see the scallion?
So first we're going with the dry ingredient. And you mix that so that combines all together with the rice flour and the salt. And now we're going with the filter water. Now that it's mixing smoothly, I'm going to add the coconut milk. You can add this all in there. And I'm going to mix that. Now this recipe is an easy one because it only has the rice flour, water, salt, coconut milk, and scallion. And you're going to use this for the skillet. Alright, now we're going to add the scallion. Now you can go crazy with this because in my family we love scallions, and so I use a lot of that. So there's no right amount for the scallion. If you and your family do not really like scallion, you can exclude that out, or if you just like it a little bit. But I recommend putting some scallion in there. It will change the whole experience of the rice cake. Now we're just waiting for the inside to cook, so we're going to cover this so that way while outside is getting crispy, the inside is getting cooked as well.